Type Verizon Communications Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Verizon's plans and services are in the description. Verizon is one of the largest and most reliable mobile network operators in the US, offering nationwide coverage with a strong focus on performance and premium features. It operates on a 5G and LTE network, delivering some of the fastest speeds in the industry. Verizon is best suited for users who prioritize network reliability, extensive coverage, and premium perks, making it ideal for professionals, businesses, and those in rural areas where other carriers might struggle. Features. Verizon offers multiple plan options, including unlimited data plans, prepaid plans, and shared family plans. Their premium unlimited plans include perks like access to Verizon's ultra-wideband 5G, mobile hotspot data, and subscriptions to services like Disney+, Hulu, and Apple Music. Business users benefit from Verizon's enterprise solutions, such as mobile security, cloud storage, and advanced networking capabilities. Verizon also leads in device selection, offering the latest smartphones, tablets, and wearables. Strengths. Verizon's biggest advantage is its network coverage. It consistently ranks as the best in the US for reliability and speed, making it a great choice for travelers and rural residents. Their 5G ultra-wideband network is expanding, providing ultra-fast speeds in select urban areas. Customer service is another strong point, with in-store support, online chat, and phone assistance. Verizon also offers device financing and trade-in deals, making it easier to upgrade to the latest technology. Weaknesses. The biggest downside is price. Verizon is one of the most expensive carriers, with premium unlimited plans costing more than competitors like T-Mobile or AT&T. While their prepaid options exist, they don't offer the same value as some budget carriers. Another issue is deprioritization. On lower-tier plans, data speeds may slow during network congestion. Additionally, Verizon's 5G coverage, while growing, is still not as widespread as its LTE network. Final verdict. Verizon is an excellent choice if you need top-tier coverage, reliability, and premium features. However, if you're on a tight budget or don't need the best network, you might find better value elsewhere. Check out the links in the description for the latest Verizon deals.